Hello, welcome to this update for Tropical Storm Jude about to make landfall Mozambique later tonight into tomorrow, Monday, March 10th. And it might get there as early as today, March 9th, because as you can see, the rain bands are already there in Mozambique. It's already raining there a lot, and as you can see here as well, some storms in Madagascar still, and the core of this is relatively close to Mozambique already, if some strong storms already occurring there. So let's see what the models still have about this. There's the GFS goes into Mozambique and does have like slightly stronger, like a category 1 or something, close to category 2. But there's some other models slightly weaker, like the Canadian just tropical storm and category 1 tropical storm. And the general track of this, you go into Mozambique and then might curve back the Mozambique channel near Madagascar. The European gave up a little. It ends there in Mozambique, but it will eventually curve into the Mozambique channel again. There's the official track, has it going there, then curve into the Mozambique channel. It will be stronger right before landfall there, close to category 1. So they have here like a severe tropical storm, and this goes in the show category 1 in that orange right at landfall there. So please stay safe there. And there's like the model this goes, very heavy rain and flooding will probably happen in some spots north of Mozambique, and then this goes probably in Malawi as well. We have some very heavy rain there. Please be careful there too. And then some rain from this might affect Zimbabwe, spots of Zambia, but generally further north than that are just showers and storms, tropical rains like in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Tanzania, some more showers and storms in Kenya, some too, even in Ethiopia already shows some thunderstorms there, especially in Gabon, Congo, spots of Central Africa, and South Africa as well. So that's actually Tuesday. Monday, tomorrow, shows a storm or two in South Africa and Eswatini and Lesotho, some in Namibia and Uganda as well. No, Uganda, Angola, and some more for Central Africa. Then this goes there Monday, Tuesday. The European still has this there by Wednesday, and then it goes back into the Mozambique channel Friday, Thursday, and Friday, and then it has kind of scraping Madagascar. So please be careful there too. And there's like this belt of some thunderstorms, Central Africa, through Namibia, spots of South Africa today as well. So be aware. Some other spots of Uganda, Kenya, some more showers and storms there, Rwanda, and other spots. And as you can see, the cyclones are already looking better, the structure of it. So a really dangerous system. Please be careful in terms of rainfall. The European just has around 288 millimeters, spot in north Mozambique, 300, and does have like 233, 229. This will already cause flooding there, especially right where it comes in there, close to 300 and even more. Please be careful, more significant flooding. And the European even has like 409 in a specific spot of southern Malawi, so please be careful, all the way from central to southern Malawi, and even a storm or two further north. And be careful spots of western Mozambique. The European has worse in central Mozambique, like more than 465 millimeters, 398, 381, because it has like this curving back and then affecting central Mozambique again. So please stay safe, and until the 14th, 5 days, does show this event near Madagascar once again. So please stay safe. There's the GFS. It has right there near where we make landfall more than 400, so the European only had 275 around the landfall area. The GFS has 400. This kind of looks more realistic to me. It does show some spots to 392, to 339, 450, and it might make landfall generally in this area between Gaba and Mozambique, especially Nacala and more spots there. So please be careful. Have your preparations more than done if you are in those areas. It's already raining there. It's already on your doorstep. So please stay safe. Shows in Malawi too, the GFS, more rain, and then it goes back to the Mozambique channel. So please be careful. There's the icon, which is kind of scared out. Shows like some 242 millimeters spots there. So the icon has landfall north of Gaba. The GFS had landfall between Mozambique and Nacala. So it differs a little bit on the models. But it does show more than 300 in some spots there. Also has like southern Tanzania, close to 100, some more storms, the Comoros, and that's like the European central Mozambique, the worst part of the rain, and because when this curves and goes back into the Mozambique channel, so please stay safe there, Malawi, those storms too, so be careful with flooding, and there's this high resolution model now for the next day or so, and this is very high resolution, so it captures the specific details. So sometimes it might exaggerate, but in general it's very reliable. So it does show upwards of 580 millimeters, where this makes landfall 553, 506, and this is actually possible because these tropical cyclones can produce very heavy rain in a short amount of time. So please consider this and be careful. Some 367. It has landfall right close to Nacala. Some spots there show like 590, like nearly 600 millimeters. So please stay safe. Some 400 in other areas, 345. So please be careful. And this doesn't go. What just happened here? Jesus Christ. It just switched everything. Sorry. So I meant this doesn't go as far out as other models, but it only goes until Monday. But it already shows spots of central Mozambique and Malawi too. There's to 103 in some areas and not areas, but this is the main area here where this is going to affect during the next 24 hours. So please stay safe there. Be careful with flooding. Stay away from flooding. And in some areas there might produce like some coastal flooding, some erosion, those beaches, and catastrophic flash flooding, especially. So please be careful with that. And stay in a safe place, secure place. Be careful the wind and everything. And this model has also like the Comoros close to 200 from some rain bands, and has some more storms in eastern Madagascar. Nothing crazy, just some more showers there. So yeah, stay safe, please. Be careful, and especially with flooding. Now the wind, there's the European shows the wind there. This goes strengthens a little bit more, but it does show already like at the middle of the night between today and tomorrow. Some towns like Mozambique to 113 km per gusts. These are the gusts, the occasional gusts, not the wind the whole time. But that shows some 91 km per hour, some 83. This goes there and momentarily shows close to 120 in Mozambique. In some islands there's 127 in other spots of the coast. So please stay safe. This wind is dangerous. So this goes there. Still shows like Monday afternoon, tomorrow, not the parts of the coast there, and some other areas. So this goes and still shows breezy Malawi as well as the remnants of this pass by. In other spots, central Mozambique, might have more wind Tuesday into Wednesday, especially Thursday. There might be some rougher seas and everything. This thing back into the Mozambique channel, and by Friday, the and Saturday, especially Friday the 14th, it does go into Madagascar again. The Europeans like 103 km per gas, and some spots to 108. So the European does take this to Madagascar again. So please stay safe. There's the GFS as well, has the system there. It does strengthen a little bit as well to 132 km per gas. That's even higher than the European. Some spots 217, 113. In some areas even Nakala 213. So Monday this goes, and the worst winds will depend on the exact position of this, if this makes landfall further north or further south. So it does show 120, 119 km per gas. So please stay safe, and this goes there. There's the icon too, so this goes still shows slightly gusty in Madagascar, but this is going away now. And then this goes and does strengthen a little bit more before landfall, but doesn't show like the GFS. It only has like 116 km per gas, 106, some areas further north to 203. So stay safe. So Monday, this goes still more than 100 km per gas the coast in some spots there, and it goes away. So please stay safe. That there's now this high resolution model that's a lot stronger than the other models, and this might be true or it might not, because it shows the specific details, but it might exaggerate on the strength. But let's see, because in terms of wind gusts, this might be more accurate. So this model has a port of 147 km per gas, some spots there, 139 in Mozambique, and it does have like 227 km per gas in Mozambique, and in Chocas Mar and other areas more than 200. I think this model is highly exaggerating, and I don't think this will happen. But with this warm ocean waters, everything is possible. So just prepare, like if you are preparing for this, because you never know. Because I generally trust a lot these high resolution models, but this one I think is exaggerating too much. But normally it does very well. So this is a possibility, like 144 km per gas, spots to 176. So this goes there and show like still to 212 km per gas, 209, and this type of gusts is not destructive, it's absolutely destructive, like life-threatening wind gusts at this strength. So please, if this happens, you should be highly protected and have all the protections you could possibly find. So please stay safe. So 131 km per gas, 134, and this goes there, and still like 167, 249 by Monday afternoon. Then to Monday evening, still some higher gas spots of Mozambique there. So please stay safe there, but just know that it might not be that strong. But yeah, there's the Canadian model here too, and it just has a tropical storm there, so like 990, 9A to 990, so it doesn't have anything that crazy. But for rainfall, it does have like upwards of 300 millimeters, some spots, and some very bright areas, 400, because the yellow practically starts at 300, the yellow. So that very bright yellow is nearly like 400. So please stay safe. That might cause some catastrophic flooding there. And southern Malawi, some more rain too, and those tropical regions, those heavier showers and storms. So please just stay safe with this. Here's the current images, and please be careful. Here we do have the cyclone warnings there, and let's see, and some other ones for cyclones, so moderate and extreme warnings. In Tanzania, some strong winds and large waves because of the swells from this cyclone. And southern Malawi, two tropical storm advisories. And good thing it's in their language here. So if you don't understand English, just check here. There's the link of this site on on the description, windy.com. Just go on the category weather warnings and read all of this if you don't understand English. And there's a link for Mozambique, the description in Portuguese. I hope that link works because sometimes it doesn't. And the Tanzania link is also there. They might have in their language too. So please just stay safe. But let's discuss this a little bit more in Portuguese. Olá, então tem essa tempestade tropical Jude, que está quase chegando em Moçambique. Hoje é dia 9 de março e vai cair entre hoje à noite e amanhã de manhã umas zonas de norte de Moçambique, perto da ilha de Moçambique, Chocasmar, perto de Nacala e outras zonas assim do centro-norte de Moçambique. Então vai continuar. Durante a segunda-feira vai deixar mais chuva forte e tempestades por dentro de Moçambique, até no centro de Moçambique. Daí vai indo chuvas fortes em Malawi também, Zâmbia, mais zonas do centro de Moçambique. Terça-feira, a chuva mais forte ainda vai estar no meio assim, de Moçambique. Daí quarta, mostra chuva bem forte no meio de Moçambique e vai embora. Daí tem outros modelos diferentes que mostram, tipo, caindo ciclone hoje, daí hoje, entre hoje e amanhã, durante a noite, daí vai indo essa chuva forte até quarta-feira, assim no norte, no centro de Moçambique, e vai embora. Então, essa chuva pode deixar umas zonas com mais de 300 milímetros em menos de 48 horas, 291, então isso pode causar inundações tremendas, assim, tipo, quase 400 milímetros. Esse mostra até no centro de Moçambique, 484, 417, tem um monte de rio assim que pode inundar, inundação urbana também nas cidades, então cuidado com esse ciclone, fica longe de inundação, não dirige para inundação, mas onde esse ciclone vai cair assim, tem outro modelo que mostra mais de 400 milímetros, uns 425, 424, cuidado, fiquem dentro de casa, tentam não sair na segunda manhã, se for possível, e cuidado, fiquem em um lugar protegido, assim, e inundação pode ser muito sério. Então, cuidado com essas inundações, chuva e os ventos também, principalmente se vocês moram perto da praia, assim, um lugar bem exposto ao vento, tem que tomar muito cuidado. Proteger as janelas assim e o resto da casa, tirar coisa grande do jardim que pode sair voando e tomar muito cuidado. Mostra uma zona tipo uns 113 km por hora até uns 129 km por hora, vai indo só tipo uma tempestade tropical forte, assim, o ciclone categoria 1, assim, daí uns 117 km por hora, vai indo e depois ainda deixa uns ventos levemente fortes por dentro de Moçambique. Daí tem esse outro modelo, mostra uma coisa parecida assim, domingo, segunda, mostra uma zona de quase, nossa, por que fica mudando essas coisas? Aqui, de 127 km por hora, uns 114, uns 120, umas zonas vai indo assim, daí ainda deixa os ventos fortes no meio de Moçambique, no norte assim, e Malawi também. Daí quarta-feira, quinta-feira, dia 13, vai embora, de volta para Madagascar. Daí tem esse modelo que mostra, tipo, por volta dos 110 até uns 130 km por hora, as rachas de vento, que são as rachas, assim, ocasionais, não vento o tempo inteiro, mas as rachas de vento. Daí tem esse modelo aqui, meteorológico, que é de resolução mais alta, assim, mas ele mostra, tipo, ele mostra mais de 227 quilômetros por hora da ilha de Moçambique, os 206. Acho que esse modelo está exagerando muito no vento, mas é uma possibilidade também se ficar muito forte assim. Acho que 168 quilômetros por hora, 150. Então, isso seria a pior ocasião assim, mas não é impossível. Vamos continuar monitorando, mas com ventos desse jeito, realmente tem que tomar muito cuidado. E no satélite já está chegando, uma zona já está com umas chuvas bem fortes. Isso aí já está praticamente aí. Então já precisam ter tudo, todas as preparações terminadas e tudo seguro. E avisar outros também em outras zonas de Moçambique que pode ter inundação e muito cuidado. Também tomem muitíssimo cuidado com as ondas também, alguma inundação costeira e tipo nas praias e outras zonas, nesses rios que pode inundar um pouco com a força das ondas assim, por causa desse vento. Então tome muito cuidado. E é isso, e mais chuvas tropicais assim no meio da África, em Angola, mais tempestades espalhadas e outras zonas. Então tome muito cuidado. E é isso. So please be careful there, stay safe. As you can see here as well, this is very massive. So please stay safe. This is a very dangerous situation there. And warn others. Be careful of the other scattered thunderstorms throughout Africa, and as well as the heat for Central Africa, like 41 plus, 42, 39, 40 degrees. Central Africa now it's creeping into Northern Africa, so they are starting to feel the warmth of spring. But in Southern Africa, still quite hot, some areas, but slightly colder in Southeastern South Africa and Lesotho, in some areas, especially during the night. But all the areas during the day, close to 35, even 38 degrees, some spots there. But yeah, stay safe. And the storms, as I mentioned too, so why is there this big gap here? This internet is not collaborating here. So it does show 5 days more rain over southeastern, eastern South Africa. It shows even more than 100 meters. Spots of eastern South Africa, Eswatini, some more storms central South Africa, and more for this general area of Central Africa here. So be careful. Central Africa, not the way north to Ethiopia. Some, and also in Ivory Coast and Guinea, some more rain too in Liberia, and still heavy in Morocco. So stay safe in Morocco to like 200 meters possibly next 5 days. Some other populations there to 172 to 141. So stay safe in Morocco too, and more there in those areas. A shower too in Algeria there in Libya. But that show in terms of snow, some more Morocco, those islands as well. So yeah, stay safe and colder there, of course, especially in the mountains and during the night in some spots there. So stay safe, please be careful. And also like with these rain bands and thunderstorms, be careful with water spouts and lightning, power outages and everything else. Stay safe.